Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Twinkle Connect here. Right, in today's video we'll talk about how you can upgrade your style or how you can level up your fashion game. I have written here 5 to 6 tips in my diary. I will read throughout the video. So let's get started. Tip number 1 is for girls or boys out there. You can do is replace your jeans with some different kind of pants. ये मैंने पहले भी बताया अपने Instagram videos में my captions and all. So you can do is replace that your old skinny jeans with something like flare pants or plazo pants or something like joggers and all. There are really cool options available in market, and you can invest in something like that and change something in your regular styles. I also used to wear skinny jeans all the time, my black and blue skinny alternatively. So now what I did is I replaced my skinny jeans with some plazo, some flare pants. सबसे पहले तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल होते हैं, लाइक प्लाजोज. सो लिटरली इट फील्स लाइक वी आर वेयरिंग आवर लोअर्स एंड ऑल. सो या प्लाजोज आर दे आर नॉट दैट मच एक्सपेंसिव ऑल्सो. सो या अगर आप प्लाजो पेंट्स पहनोगे दे आर कंफर्टेबल प्लस दे आर नॉट कॉस्टली एंड इट लुक्स गुड एंड इट लुक्स समथिंग डिफरेंट एंड इट्स समथिंग लाइक दैट. अभी भी मैंने प्लाजो पेंट पहना है. दिस इज माई माइक का वायर. सो या look how comfortably I am sitting, and it is in red color, so it goes with almost every outfit like brown, black and white t-shirts. I usually wear it with white t-shirt or some black t-shirt, black sandals and tube top and all. Yeah, and also pants like this, they are jogger pants. I got it before. I got it a year before. Yeah. Invest in something like that. बहुत ज़्यादा comfortably, or you can wear it everywhere, like everywhere, wherever you want to go. You just simply wear it. Wear some tight crop top or tight t-shirt, clean it, and you are good to go. Number 2 is the balanced outfit rule. If you want to look more put together, more like polished and more stylish, so you should know the balanced outfit rule. It is not rule or something, but what that rule is. That means wearing something tighter over something loose, or wearing something loose with something tighter. So yeah, it's so balanced. Don't wear tight and tight. It looks really awkward and you are not comfortable wearing it. When you wear something fitted with something loose, it looks good and it looks balanced and makes you look more put together. So yeah, always remember this balanced outfit rule. In this look, I am wearing balanced outfit, crop top with flare pants. Wearing oversized flare pant with oversized hoodie or t-shirt, so it looks like it looks so much out of the place. And yeah, if you want, you can wear it. It is not a crime or something. If you want to wear something like that, you can. But if you want to look little decent and not out of the place, so yeah, you can obey this rule, and it will change something in your style. It will make you look more confident, more comfortable. Next is experiment with your look. Maybe get some haircut, not compulsory. But if you want to change something in your look and you are bored of having the same look throughout the years and years, so you can change something in your hairs. Maybe change your haircut, flicks or cut flicks or something, and you will feel a change by yourself. When I did my haircut, after that I felt more confident, like more I can feel more happy when for videos I get ready. I feel good. I can style my hair in different ways. I had that hairstyle for so long time. I was the person didn't like to get regular haircut, and my hair was so much damaged and it doesn't look good. I used to only make buns, and my friends were like, क्या है बस हर टाइम बनी बनाती रहती है, कुछ और कर बालों के साथ and all. So I switched to this hairstyle and I'm so happy. Or if you want, so you can do some little changes. If you don't want to chop off your hairs like me, so what you can do is do a little change. Maybe trim them, make some flicks and keep them out of the hairs, and it will look good. Change something in your wardrobe if you want, and with something. Don't buy everything. You can invest in some pieces, some wardrobe staples. If you want something different in your style, buy some different pieces you never wore before. So yeah, you can make a little changes in your makeup. If you wear all the vibrant color on your lips, do kajal and all, so maybe wear some nude shade on your lips, and in place of doing applying kajal, you can apply eyeliner and all, and make little changes. If you don't do makeup at all, maybe start doing थोड़ा सा makeup day by day, little unnoticeable makeup, natural look वाला, like I don't do heavy makeup. But if I want to change my style, or I will try doing, I don't like, you know, that vibrant shade of lip shade on my lips. I like nude shades. So yeah, you can change something in your, you know, look, like makeup and hair and all. Next point is, you know, add accessories to your look. Like for example, I'm wearing this huge earring right now. I'm not doing anything else with my, you know, necklace or rings. You can wear bracelet with huge earrings, it looks good. But right now I'm just wearing this square shaped earrings and it looks really good with my simple outfit. In the outfit there is not much more going on. So yeah, for example, if you don't want to put some accessory, you can just wear ring in your hands, a bracelet, or you can just, you know, carry a bag like belt bag, or you know, purses, pouch, waist pouch, or only a simple clutch. It really make difference. I've talked earlier on my videos, like accessories really change your look and it can, you know, take your outfit from 0 to 10. So yeah, try adding some accessories in your look, so like some layered neck pieces and all. I recently got this necklace from Amazon, but it is tangled right now, like always. I will make, you know, a video and I will insert a video in it. So yeah, wear something like that. Wear accessories in your outfit and you will change your point. Paired gold chain necklace looks really good with something simple like this tube top with flare pants. It really changes the look. Our fifth point is, you know, stay groomed always. Like for example, if you are wearing a right outfit and your hairs are not in the place, your nails are chapped, and you know, all these things, you won't look good. If your skin is not healthy, and if you apply a lots of makeup, it won't look good, trust me. So yeah, please pay attention to your grooming. You know, apply some good moisturizers on your skin. Good hair is, you know, wash hair within 3 or 4 days. And you know, if you are someone जो थोड़ा टाइम में आईब्रोज बनवाते रहता है, so please, you know, गिव अटेंशन टू दैम. बहुत ज़्यादा ही अगर एक्स्ट्रा एयर ग्रोथ हो रही है, यू नो, अगर हम एक दो बार बनवा लेते तो हमको टाइम टू टाइम उस पर ध्यान देना पड़ता. दैट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. पूरा फेस का शेप और स्ट्रक्चर ही चेंज हो जाता है, नॉट स्ट्रक्चर बट शेप ही चेंज हो जाता है. इट रियली मेक डिफरेंस. एंड अपर लिप्स ऑल्सो बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने देखा है, यू नो, आउटग्रो हो जाते हैं तो बहुत ही वियर्ड लगता है वो. तो ग्रूमिंग जैसी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लुक्स को, यू नो, 0 से 10 तक ले जाने के लिए. समवन हु, यू नो, लाइक अप्लाई नेल पेंट. आई एम नॉट दैट पर्सन, बट अभी क्योंकि मैं वीडियोस में नेल पे हाथ करती हूँ, वो दिखता है, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं नेल पेंट लगा लूँ. बट यू कैन सी मेरी नेल पेंट अच्छे से लगी हुई है, पूरी कहीं से भी ऐसे निकल नहीं रही है थोड़ी थोड़ी. तो अगर ऐसे थोड़ी थोड़ी निकलने के बाद वो बहुत ज़्यादा, यू नो, आउट ऑफ द प्लेस दिखता है, तो यू कैन डू इज, या तो पूरा ही अप्लाई करके रखो उसको, या तो अगर वो निकल रही तो पूरा ही निकाल के रखो. डोंट डू दैट कि थोड़ी थोड़ी लगी है, थोड़ी थोड़ी निकली है, तो वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा, यू नो, ऐसा लगता है यू डोंट टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. So yeah, grooming is really important. Be groomed मतलब, you know, proper hair, clean outfit. And also if you are wondering कि ये weird सी चीज़ क्या है, black, so it's my mic. Don't be bothered by that. Also हाँ, so मैं कहा groomed मतलब hair at the place, clean outfit, you know, good and balanced outfit. It really look good. एक बार करके देखना, you will feel difference in your style and the way you look at yourself, or people look at yourself. You will start loving yourself. Obviously first step तो यही है कि आप, you should love yourself. And next point is, you know, wearing a correct proportion of outfit. For example, not showing much skin. For girls, if you want to show, it's okay, but if you really want to, you know, change something in your look, so you know, it's not a crime. Showing your skin is not crime. You can show, but you know, showing much of your skin, it looks a little awkward. The right proportion of skin, like if you are wearing a crop top, wear something, you know, that covers your legs fully, or much, you know, it covers much part of your leg. Don't do this crop top with little shorts. It really look awkward. If you are wearing a mini skirt, try to wear something that covers at least your waist, so you will look little, you know, put together. Shorts showing your legs, so you can do is wear, you know, oversized hoodie, or you know, oversized t-shirts or top that is, you know, that at least cover your waist. And you know, you can wear sleeveless if you want, but it should be balanced. You shouldn't feel like you are out of the place. The next point is, you know, pay attention to your footwear selection. You have read it before also कि if someone look at you, first thing that notice that your shoes invest in some good quality and, you know, trendy shoes. It really changes your look. For example, right now I have this shoes. I can wear it with many outfits. Sneakers, I wear sneakers easily, like regularly. So yeah, invest in different kind of sneakers, flat footwears, and there are many options. There are many options you can invest in and change your fashion game. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, then give it a like, comment down below if you like something about this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share with your friends and family. See you in the next video.